In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a payment on the Discover app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage and make any payments on the latest version of the Discover app. All that you have to do is first sign into your account, and immediately on the home screen, you will be able to find all of your credit cards. If you have a payment due, all that you have to do to make a payment on the Discover app is to select the specific credit card that you would like to make a payment for. When you tap on any of your credit cards inside of the Discover app, you will be redirected to the activity page for that specific card. If you scroll down, you will find the statement summary as I've highlighted here. So scroll down until you see your summary. Tap Pay next to the statement summary and you will be able to browse through all of the options of payments that you have. All that you have to do to finish making a payment on the Discover app is confirm the source of the payment, the date of the payment, and then the amount that you want to pay. Choose between the current balance, the statement balance, minimum payment, or other payment to include an amount. As long as you read through all of the instructions, all the warnings, and you choose whether or not you want to apply for your cash back bonus, you will be able to finish making this payment inside of the Discover app. You can repeat this process as many times as you want with as many credit cards as you have. As long as you are on the latest version of the Discover app and you sign into a proper account, you will be able to manage and pay any payments of any credit cards that you have due. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a payment on the Discover app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.